Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Timberlane, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you're moving within or outside Timberlane, you can trust our high-quality moving services. We provide a complete package to manage the move from scratch. First, you must plan the moving day and leave the rest to us. Next, our experienced team arrives at your location and begins to pack the belongings following the security instructions. Then we load things into the moving truck and check everything. Therefore, we ensure that your goods are delivered safely to the new address. Therefore, we insure and provide damage protection and insurance on the items we carry. For more than 20 years, 3 Movers has provided moving services to every part of the town and across the United States. 3 Movers is licensed, privately owned, and operated, so our experienced movers have the essential skills and training to organize and secure all your belongings on the truck. Also, our trucks are spacious enough to carry your belongings and offer the maximum level of protection for all your stuff. Moreover, we offer insurance coverage that protects your property in the event of an accident or loss of something during the moving procedure. Our long-distance moving solutions are perfectly designed to meet your exclusive needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Timberlane moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.